And with us is our London Bureau Chief, Mandy Clark. Mandy, how are the UK businesses prepared for this bumpy period as the country adjusts to these new European Union rules, especially when it comes to Indian companies like Tata Motors' own Jaguar Land Rover that will be impacted as part of this transition period?
No, it's nothing short of a godsend for many UK businesses who are really reliant on trade with Europe for its survival. Everyone from car makers like Jaguar Land Rover to chocolate shops, we're looking at 5 to 10% tariff increases that would have been delivered directly to the consumer. And it's doubtful that people could have really been able to afford those hikes in prices. Now, some things will cost a little more, but it's a moderate bump rather than a spike in costs. And that's an important difference. Really, for the average British person, it would have been very difficult after a year of coronavirus that led to a downturn in the economy and serious job losses all over the country. Having to pay more for their goods might have been a bridge too far. Now, Labour opposition leader Keir Starmer has said this isn't the perfect deal, but truly anything is better than no deal. And I think that sentiment has certainly been echoed throughout the business sector.
Right, Mandy, but isn't the deal signed between the UK and the European Union last week too little too late, as many experts have been pointing out, though, of course, it's better than no deal at all?
There will be bumpy moments for UK businesses and for travellers as they get to grips with those new EU rules. Now, Brexit Minister Michael Gove has warned businesses that the new nature of the relationship with the EU outside that single market and customs union means there are practical and procedural changes that businesses and citizens will need to get ready for. And there will be some disruption as Britain adjusts to the new way of doing business with the EU. Now, businesses have been urged to make sure that they understand those new rules on importing and exporting goods, including the different rules that apply to trade with Northern Ireland, and to consider how they will make customs declarations on EU trade. Now, Tata Motors, which owns Jaguar Land Rover, sees increased customs declarations as being an administrative and a compliance burden. The luxury car maker also warned of potential delays by moving cars and components across borders, and that could disrupt its supply chain and exports of finished vehicles. Now, Land Rover has been working hard with its suppliers to ensure that they are ready for the changes to the customs processes and have developed contingency plans.
Co-presented by Skoda. Simply clever.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.